Hey everyone, this is Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Welcome back to Winter Wonderland. In this video, I want to ask you, our viewers, why do regularly active POTA activators quit? Find out after this. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Again, I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot, coming to you from beautiful New Brunswick, Canada. Beautiful sunny day out here. Today is the day of the rack winter contest starts today, so we're looking forward to that. But I got thinking this morning, and I just was thinking about a buddy of mine from Ontario that used to be very, very active on Parks on the Air. And all of a sudden, as of today, I think he's done one activation in the last 8 months. So I asked myself, why do regularly active POTA activators all of a sudden quit POTA, period? Like, don't do it anymore. So I'd love to hear what you have to say by leaving a comment below. But I have some theories. Well, I'm going to base on my own experience. Number one, one of the reasons why I've contemplated quitting POTA altogether is just the cost of fuel. In Canada here, we're paying $1.60 roughly a liter here in New Brunswick. Yesterday, I went out to Nova Scotia. You know, that trip back and forth, $75 to $100 in gas price. That's kind of costly to do that all the time, which leads into the second reason why I think a lot of POTA activators quit is they just run out of parks. They do the same old, I call it Irish town over and over again, and it gets kind of boring. So boredom sets in, and then they just run out of local park. For me to activate anything new now is an hour and a half to 2 hour drive. Again, getting back to that $75 to $100. And the third reason why I'm thinking about quitting is it's getting boring. POTA as itself is getting boring. Now, I do have some challenges for the spring, like getting my buddy hex set up and a few other antennas, but here in the wintertime, it's kind of hard to do that. So boredom sets in. So those are my three reasons, and I'm not talking about just quitting an activation because you've done 75 contacts and it's getting cold out. I'm talking about quitting POTA altogether, not doing it ever again. I'd love to hear what you have to say. Leave a comment below. Let me know what your thoughts are. I shared my top 3 reasons why I have thought about quitting POTA from time to time. I'd love to hear what you have to say. I'm Stuart, Victor Echo 9, Charlie Foxtrot. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think, and we'll see you in a future video.